Hello, everyone. My name is Zulfiqar, and welcome to another episode of Income Investors. With me today is John Whitefoot with another exciting income pick. If you want to read more about what John writes on a regular basis, you could head to incomeinvestors.com. You can find the link to the website in the description below. The outlook for interest rate is that the Federal Reserve will begin cutting rates in June, and it will cut them by as many as 100 basis points or 1 full percentage point this year. Of course, the inflation situation could change and have an impact on when and how much interest rates will decline. Since interest rates are set to ratchet lower, it makes sense for investors to look at interest rate sensitive plays like real estate investment trusts. Although the share prices of many REITs have already been rallying in anticipation of lower interest rates, there are still many opportunities to find some lower price REIT stocks. For instance, today's income pick, CTO Realty Growth Inc, traded on New York Stock Exchange under symbol CTO, is, as of this recording, up 2.6% by over the past 1 year and just $1 above its 52 weeks low of $15.63 in October of 2023. At its current price level, CTO Realty Growth stock could be an opportunity for contrarian investors. John?
Thanks, Mo. Yeah, CTO Realty Growth focuses on buying and managing high-quality retail-based properties. They're mostly largely situated in high-growth markets in the U.S. The company also has a stake in Alpine Income Property Trust Inc., which trades on the New York Stock Exchange under symbol PINE. Now, it's a net lease retail REIT.
And how is this company doing on the financial front?
CTO Realty Group grew its revenues for the past 5 consecutive years to a record high of $109.1 million in 2023. Its revenues even grew in 2020 among the 2020 health crisis. But with the economy expected to stall this year, analysts estimate that CTO Realty Growth will report flat revenue of around $109 million for 2024 before rebounding 6.6% in 2025 to $116.1 million. Of course, much of what happens depends on the state of the economy. An issue with CTO Realty has been its inconsistency in profitability. After producing high diluted earnings per share profits of $5.56 in 2020. Since then, the company subsequently produced softer results. The situation is actually expected to worsen, with analysts announcing a consensus prediction of a loss of 41 cents per diluted share in 2024, followed by a loss of 51 cents per diluted share in 2025. Now, CTO Realty will need to deal with this expected losses because that could threaten the company's ability to pay dividends. On the plus side, the company's free cash flow has been positive, which is supportive of dividends. But there's still some risk with the expected losses potential impacting the future free cash flow.
Speaking of dividends, how has this company been treating income investors?
Well, for income investors, CTO Realty Growth has paid dividends for 49 consecutive years, which is impressive. The negative at this time is the lack of dividend growth in recent years. The company works on improving its profitability. CTO's stock dividend history shows that a quarterly dividend of 38 cents per share has been in place since management slashed the distribution from $1.12 per share, which was paid out in June 2022. Now, as of this recording, CTO Realty Growth stock quarterly distribution of 38 cents per share translates to a forward yield of 8.93%. Now, that's above the 5-year average of 5.15%, and the higher yield is, unfortunately, due to a lower share price.
John, thank you so much for your insights. By all accounts, it appears that CTO Realty Growth will try to maintain its dividend payments, but we don't expect management to increase CTO dividends payout until the company's profitability improves. For income investors, it's all about receiving dividends and waiting for the company to turn around so its share prices will rise. That's it for today, and make sure to go to incomeinvestors.com now to get our free special reports on 3 income stocks to own today. One of those stocks currently has a dividend yield of 12.7%. You can find the link to incomeinvestors.com in the description below. We'll be back with more income picks soon, so stay tuned. And in the meantime, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Goodbye for now.